There's no rain at all. Upside down or...
An important warning has been issued. Please tune to Channel 2 for more information.
All persons in Seaside Heights to evacuate within a 72-hour period. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Seaside Heights Police Department. Due to the approach of Category 5 Hurricane Frank, all of Seaside Heights must evacuate now. This is a dangerous storm with extreme life-threatening winds, tornadoes, and storm surge. Prepare now. Do not stay or you will not be able to get help by emergency services. This is a local message for Seaside Heights only, although other towns that keep this warning may keep warnings from their town or the Ocean County Sheriffs if there is a full mandatory evacuation.
My reports, but now everyone is